Jai Gurudev students, in previous class we started the lesson Geography lesson 11 Transport and Communication. We will continue the lesson. Before continuing, we will just revise what we have studied in previous class. Previous class we studied about the transport and we will continue with this transport. In last class we studied about the roadways. In roadways, the most important, we studied about the Grand Trunk Road. It was built by Sher Shah Suri. We studied about the Grand Trunk Road and then about the national highways. National highways controlled by the Central India, and then we also studied about the state highways controlled by the state, and we also studied about the expressways. The main object of this expressway is to control highways, that is to control the entrance and exit of the people, not only people, even others. Then we studied about the district and rural roads. We studied about the district and rural roads. Then we also continued with railways. Railway, and this is the fastest mode of transport. Now we will continue with railways. The first train which was run was from Bombay to Thane. This was the first train . It ran from Bombay to Thane, and railway were introduced in India in the year 1853. Railway was introduced in India in 1853. So naturally it was introduced by the Britishers. Then India at present is the fourth largest. India has the fourth largest network, and above three are USA, Russia and China. After USA, Russia and China, the fourth is India, which has the largest network. The other three are USA, Russia and China, and the fourth is India, which has the largest network. Then railway is the main backbone for industrial revolution, industrial development. We will also study about the local trains started in Mumbai. And metro system. Metro system in Kolkata, Delhi and all other places. We will also study about the waterways. Easiest method of transport in water. In this natural waterways, we will study about the natural rivers, canalized rivers and artificial canals. In this waterways, we will study about the natural rivers, In this waterways, we will study about the natural rivers, canalized rivers, and artificial canals. We will also study about the ocean currents, ocean transport, we will study about the ocean transport, and then it is very easy and less costly. Then we will also study about the air transport, which is the quickest. Air transport, it is the quickest means of transport and most expensive, but now it is preferred by many people as it gives us better facility and saves the time, and it is most convenient for the people to transport between the two continents. At present, India has 300 domestic airports and 20 international airports. So these are the points we are going to study, and in next class we will continue with communication. Once again, I will give you the brief detail of this lesson. These are the things we have studied in previous class about roadways, national highways, state highways, expressways, district and rural roads, railways. These are the points we have discussed in previous class, and in this present class we will continue with the transport, with the railways, and when did the first train started, when the railways was introduced in India, and how it is the fourth largest it has fourth largest network. Then we will also study about the local trains, metro system trains, waterways with 3 different waterways of natural rivers, canalized rivers, artificial canals, and we will also study about the road transport and airways, air transport. Now children, all the students, we will discuss all those points in detail from the book.